Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Demon Linux here, and I want to show you guys a possible solution to stop the skipping in your audio sound in Linux, using Pulseaudio and the Alta drivers. So I have Ubuntu 18.04. It came out. It's good. This bug with Pulseaudio it does not isolate to 18.04. A lot of Linux distros have had this issue in the past, so it's not specific to 18.04. I've had the issue on 16.04, 17.10. I've had the issue on previous and other OSs in Linux, but I believe it's not really an OS problem. It's more of a hardware problem. You know, I don't know if it pertains to having hardware firmware inside the machine that is built around Windows, and then just there's a lack of compatibility there or whatnot. But I have an HP Slimline, and it just seems like it only happens on my HP. So I have a couple distros, and a couple machines that I have a couple distros on, and I get no skipping. So it's I have an Asus laptop. I never get skipping on that. So it pertains to the HP hardware, I believe, or something, some type of something with the machines. What I have found that works around the bug, for me, it may not pertain to all people. Everybody's machine is different and unique in its own way. But what I did was drop down into a terminal, become root, or use sudo. We're gonna go into the daemon.conf file under the pulse directory. So we're gonna do cd etc pulse, do a listing, that daemon conf. Let's do a nano. I'm not gonna change it because I don't need to, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it because I've already changed it in my file. So but just make sure you're root or have root privileges. So we're gonna scroll down. We're going to scroll down to real-time scheduling. You're going to uncomment it, so remove the semicolon, and then you're going to delete yes and put a no there. I don't know what the case might be with this real-time scheduling, but it's trying to sync in real time. Pulseaudio is, and the machine don't like it. So what I did was I just put a no, uncommented real-time scheduling, and put a no. If you don't uncomment it, it will just use the default yes. And if you pound it out, it will still be commented, which means it will use the default yes. So you got to uncomment it, and you got to put a no there. Okay, and that should fix the issue, temporary or hopefully long term, depending on your system. It may not work for all people, but it works for me, so I just figured I'd let you guys know what I did. So just save that file, and then what I would do at this point in time, I wouldn't even log out. What I would do is I would just restart your computer. It's just so much easier to restart. I know you probably don't want to put in a 300 character crypt password and another 150 character login password, but this gets your, if we have a fix for the audio problem for Pulseaudio, then it's worth restarting your system just to make sure that everything runs and syncs, and sets up right. But when in doubt, just reboot. It's just always good to be able to start from fresh. I don't know, I heard down the grapevine that if I play a video, or if I play an MP3 and it's got copyright laws on it, I would be violating YouTube's policy because I can't play copyrighted material inside my videos. I don't know how true that is, but I'm not going to take the risk and play an MP3 for you or whatever. That's all on you. So I hope I have fixed the skipping bug in Pulseaudio. I've heard online a lot of people think it's the Alta drivers, but for my issue with the skipping, it was the Pulseaudio thing, and it was just because my machine was trying to sync the sound in real time, and it just wasn't able to do it appropriately. So I just disabled the real time scheduling, rebooted my system, and the skipping went away. So for now, until keep my fingers crossed. But I've been playing sound and watching videos for the last 3-4 hours now, and I haven't had any skips. So temporary, long term, I don't know, but hopefully it works, for some people. Okay, this is Demon Linux here, and good luck, everybody.